game. It's a rich thing.
What's up, guys? This is Mythic right here, coming back to you guys from the future. So this is ahead of a lot of videos right now, just because our today's sponsor in this video, which you're gonna see, sent out us a product, and you guys will see that later on. So with that being said, that's gonna get prioritized before any other video, so that's why you're seeing this video ahead of time. So anyways, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, as you guys can see in the title of this video, we are installing a lift. So I didn't do too much recording. I'm just gonna time lapse this and show you guys right after. But I'm very excited to have my first lift here at my house. Other than that, I'm gonna get right into this video, no holding back. And for you guys wondering, also, this is my daily right here. I've been fixing this up, but I really don't have a real project yet. I'll talk about it maybe later on. But yeah, so if you guys ever want to see any other content besides ICLs, I'll show you guys, but I don't record because you guys rather watch the TL content. So of course I'm gonna show you guys all that. But if you guys want to be interested in this car, let me know. Here's actually a photo about a year ago of how it used to look, and then this is obviously how it looks now. There's a very clean build. But anyways, let's get back into the lift. Well, it should be good. What's 59? Yeah. All right, guys. So you guys seen that we got a lift and we're putting it on. We'll show you guys more about the lift when we can. We're actually gonna be moving Chance's car into the lift section, and we just gotta do a few more things before the lift is fully up. So yeah. So but right now, I guess this will be a good way to squeeze in our sponsor of this video. And with that said, we're gonna be checking out Auxito. All right, guys, we got a product from Auxito. They sent me a jump starter, and we're gonna test it out on this car that's been sitting here for about 8 months. So we're gonna open this, show you guys what comes with it, and then we're gonna start to see if it starts this thing. All right, let's see what it comes with. There we go, nice carrying case. And this is about like $150 jump starter. You already know it's charged up, but I'll show you guys how it comes. Look how nice this is. Look at that. Oof. All right, now let's hook this up and we'll test this out. All right, we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. As you see right here, we got DC out, Type C, USB 2, and USB 1 out. And then we got our jump starter section. So this is probably gonna be a portable charger as well, but for this application, we're gonna use it as a jump starter. There we go. Here we go, got 90%, and we're gonna see if this thing starts. All right, it says it's ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and start it. All right, as you can see, it started up, no problem, no hesitation. Other than that, thank you Auxito for sending me out this jump starter. More products, link down below. We're at the SS here, been sitting for months, as you see in the video. We'll go ahead and wash it, and then we're gonna put it on the lift. So we'll move some cars out, and we're gonna actually put it on the lift. We'll check it out. We'll be right back after we wash it. Oh no, you're good. I don't know how far back you need to go. Start running off the car finally. They probably actually have charged maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
All right, so I know it's not deal related, but I just want to show you guys the first car. It's going to be actually on our lift. I know it's dark right now, but we're going to be working on this. Obviously, I'm probably not going to show you guys unless you guys want to see it, but we're basically going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff to this car to get it back to roadworthiness. Other than that, we'll catch you guys on the next clip.